In this video, I'll be showing you how to view the blocked phone numbers on your Android phone. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android you have. So what you want to do is open up your phone application, then tap the three little dots on the top right and go over to settings, regardless of whichever tab you were in. And then what you want to do is find block numbers as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have block calls from unknown numbers active, you can go to that. And if you have any blocked numbers right here, all you're gonna have to do is simply just quite literally unblock them. And yeah, you're gonna see a red minus next to their name or next to their number, and the number is instantly unblocked, and you can now receive calls and SMSs from them again. And obviously, you'll be able to do the same to them as well, provided that you're not blocked on the other side. And if you have block calls from unknown numbers active and you haven't saved them as a contact, go ahead and turn that setting off as well to ensure you receive everything. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.